I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need administrator privileges and an internet connection. Once you have those, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type CMD in Start, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. This lets you run the activation commands without permission errors. Make sure you have your 25-character product key or that your PC has a digital license linked. Otherwise, activation will fail. Starting now saves time. We'll enter the licensing client and point Windows at Microsoft's activation server to register your license. First, install your product key with slmgr/ipk followed by the 25-character key. This places the key into Windows licensing. Once done, set or verify the KMS server if you use KMS with slmgr/skms. Make sure to use the correct host and port. If you have a retail or digital license, you can skip server changes and go straight to activation. After configuring, run slmgr/auto to force online activation. Then slmgr/dlv to display license details and confirm success. Once activation runs, verify with slmgr/xbr to see if Windows is permanently activated. This gives a quick yes or an expiration date. If activation fails, note the error code and message. Common causes are blocked network ports, incorrect key, or wrong KMS host. Make sure firewall or proxy isn't blocking outbound calls. If online activation still fails, use SLU4 to launch phone activation and follow the prompts. This often succeeds when direct activation cannot reach Microsoft servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.